iQOO has introduced a new device in its Z9 series in China, iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus. It is the topmost model in the series, although the device only packs a different processor and a larger battery cell. The rest of the specifications and design is the same as the other Z9 series devices. The Z9 Turbo Plus will be available in Night Black, Starlight White, and Moon Shadow Titanium. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus features a 6.78-inch Washing C8 OLED display. It bears a 1.5K resolution with a 144 Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits peak brightness. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus houses the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus processor. It packs up to 16 GB LPDDR5 RAM and 512 GB UFS 4.0 storage. There is the brand's self-developed Q1 chipset for enhanced performance. IT will be equipped with a 6 kVc cooling unit for heat dissipation. It ships with Origin OS 4 based on Android 14 out of the box. The dual camera setup on the iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus consists of a 50-megapixel Sony LYT600 sensor with OIS support and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. There is a 16-megapixel front-facing selfie snapper. The smartphone is powered by a 6,400 mAh battery unit with support for 80W fast charging. The iQOO Z9 Turbo Plus starts at CNY 299 for the base 12GB plus 26GB option. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.